Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our retractable bed step on 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s. Let's get into it.
Our retractable bed step for 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s make it easy to hop on up into the bed of your truck, regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the truck bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Starting with the linkage arm assembly and our main bracket, go ahead and just take your main bracket, place it over the threaded holes like you see here. For the two threaded holes next to each other, we're going to take two 13mm combo bolts, thread them in. For our last remaining threaded hole, I'm going to take our short 13mm hex bolt, a lock washer, and a flat washer. Now we're going to fully tighten these three bolts. Next, I'll turn the assembly just like this and flip it this way. Gives me access to these two threaded holes. I'm going to take my support bracket, bring it over here. You're going to line it up just like this. We're going to take our two remaining 13mm combo bolts and just hand tighten them for the time being. Now I'm going to tilt this assembly back, just move it to the side, and pull out my linkage arm assembly. Now we have our bed step here. I'm going to flip it over to expose our two C-channels. We are going to insert two T-bolts into each C-channel. All right, I'm going to bring back over our retractable bed step assembly to expose the four channels on the actual step itself. We'll bring our bed step up here, line the T-bolts, one in each channel. Now with the T-bolts in each channel, I'm going to grab a flat washer and a lock nut and just hand tighten these for the time being. Now we're at the rear bumper on the driver's side of the vehicle. First thing we're going to do is remove these two 21mm nuts. Next, we're going to remove these two 13mm bolts. Now, we're going to take our retractable bed step assembly and we're going to insert the support bracket over these two studs here. Take the two 21mm nuts previously removed and reinstall them. Just hand tighten for now. Now, where we removed those two 13mm bolts from your kit, grab your long 13mm hex bolts, a lock washer, and a flat washer, and we are going to hand tighten the bolt in those remaining threaded holes. Now we're going to fully tighten the two 21mm nuts.
Then fully tighten the two 13mm bolts. Then go back and fully tighten the two support bracket bolts on the side of the step assembly.
Now you can adjust the pad how you would like to, and then tighten down your 4 nylon lock nuts. Well, that about wraps up for the installation of our retractable bed step on 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s. If you're a fan of that bed step, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all the products we have to offer for your build today. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We are proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.